So to configure browser-based access and user portal, the first thing I'm going to do is click Add User Portal. Once I've got that, I can see the user portal. I select the certificate and the FQDN. It's important to realize this FQDN doesn't need to be an internal FQDN. It needs to be something that is publicly resolvable and something that you have the ability to register a DNS name and create a certificate from, because TLS is going to be mandatory for this. So once you've created the user portal, you then need to be able to upload the certificate and register that DNS name. So the result of creating that user portal is you see this canonical name, the FQDN of which is a ZPA domain. You take that ZPA domain, you go into your DNS and you register the URL with that CNAME. And so you can see here where we resolve that portal.welshgeek.net, it resolves to that CNAME. That CNAME resolves to our exporter function, which is globally server load balanced across AWS and provides 2 IP addresses within a single data center. In this case, it's in Dublin. We do the same thing for the browser access user portals. We're going to create portal links. We add a portal link. I can select those private applications and public applications that have previously been defined. And then the user experience of accessing those applications, I enter that portal or I enter that URL into my browser. My browser is going to redirect to the IDP. If I have a single IDP configured within my tenant, I will automatically be redirected to it, and then I sign in at the IDP. If I have multiple IDPs, then I'm going to be prompted for some credentials by Zscaler, and Zscaler will use that domain suffix to identify which SAML IDP I should authenticate against, and then the redirection occurs. Once I've authenticated, I'm back to the Zscaler browser-based access user portal, and I can see those applications that I'd previously defined that I have access to.